Welcome to Bali, where your day unfolds amidst the aroma of freshly brewed rich coffee, set against a backdrop of lush rice paddy fields and stunning exotic waterfalls. Get ready to immerse yourself in the island's vibrant history and culture as you explore its beautiful landscapes. We start our day with a visit to the Tegenungan Waterfall. Marvel at the powerful cascade and take time to relax and capture stunning photographs of this majestic natural wonder. Next, get ready to be amazed by the breathtaking views of Kintamani volcano. Enjoy panoramic vistas of Mount Batur and its caldera lake, a testament to Bali's volcanic beauty. It's a perfect spot for taking in the island's natural splendor. Take a moment to relax at BAS Agro-Tourism. Sip on traditional Balinese coffee or tea while surrounded by lush coffee plantations. Coffee plays a significant role in Balinese culture. The freshness and quality can make for a more enjoyable and memorable coffee experience compared to what you might find elsewhere. It's the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy the serene landscape. Don't miss out on visiting the Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary in Ubud, where playful monkeys roam freely among ancient temple ruins. Walk through the lush forest and observe these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. Later, head to the historic Ubud Palace, a royal residence renowned for its traditional Balinese architecture and intricate carvings. Take a stroll around the exterior and soak in the palace's regal charm. Make your way to the vibrant Ubud market. This lively hub is packed with local crafts, souvenirs, and fresh produce. Enjoy the energetic atmosphere and find unique treasures to take home. And for the ultimate Bali experience, take a ride on the famous Bali Swing. Soar above lush forests, rice terraces, and rivers, with stunning views that make for the perfect Instagram moment. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you swing into the heart of Bali's natural beauty. Experience the best of Bali, from waterfalls to sacred forests and bustling markets. Book this optional tour today and let the island's magic unfold before your eyes.